Hey guys, it's Andrew from Cardinal Kia. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use your smart trunk on the all-new 2021 Kia K5. I have in front of me here an EX all-wheel drive in glacial white pearl. Let's get started. Okay, so to start us off, we're going to use the buttons on the right side of the steering wheel here to navigate through the instrument panel to make sure that our smart trunk feature is turned on. So I'm going to head sideways through the menu. We're going to head over to the user settings. We're going to go to door, and then we're going to make sure that the smart trunk is checkmarked on. Now let's go outside and see it in action. Okay, now that we've been away from the vehicle for a few moments, let's say I come out of a store and I've got my hands full. As long as I have the smart fob on me, whether it's in like a pocket or a bag, and I come within proximity of the back of the vehicle, the car knows that the key fob is there, will start to blink, and as soon as it hits the fourth beep, then the trunk's just going to go ahead and open for you. And that's how you do it. As always, thank you very much for watching, guys. Please make sure you hit that like button and that you subscribe and select the notification bell so you stay up to date with all of our videos. Also, go ahead and give us a follow on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. All of the links are in the description below. Thanks, guys.